Welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships final episode. Well, Leia's come a long way, but now he must face Rocket Racer, owner and driver of the fastest racing car in the world. Let's play the tape. Alright. Here he is, racing Rocket Racer, and Rocket Racer pulls up an early lead. Rocket Racer decides to go over a jump, but Leia doesn't. Leia following in his tracks now, past the pits, around the middle of the course, still following in his tracks, and Leia managed to overtake him, but there's Rocket Racer with a dog. Bang! Leia just got hit by another dog, and Rocket Racer takes the lead. Leia trying to desperately catch up now. Did I say that in the right order? Anyway, he lets off a drill, still following in Rocket Racer's tracks now. And he catches up to an invisible Rocket Racer now, lets off a whirlwind, and now he's taken the lead. Around he goes. Rocket Racer trying to jump in order to overtake Leia there, but Leia just puts on an electrical bomb, not bothering to go through the pits. And around those barriers, lets off a dog, and across the line. Well, that's all, folks. I'm gonna go now and do something else. Goodbye.